Hello and welcome to another video where I'm going to be showing you how to change your pact in Soulframe. So we are here in this menu. Let me show you where this is. This is in our mind space inside the tent. As you can see, you press tab to get here from any part in the map. Press F here next to the bed and you're going to go to this option to your left on this arm on the left. And here you're going to see the information about your pact. You can upgrade it, which is spending the points that you get from ranking up the bonding. And here you have to your left the option to swap it. If you got any other pact available, then you're going to be able to change it. But if you don't have any other pact available, that's because you need to craft it. So if you don't know how to craft things, I'm going to be linking another video where I explain it here on the top right of the screen. But if you know how to craft stuff, basically you are going to need to have the fragments for the pacts.
How can I do better?
And gather the resources to be able to craft them. They're going to require river pearls. I'm going to also link another video here on the top right on how to get river pearls easily. So if you found any of this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a silly comment below for the algorithm. It really helps me out. See you until next time.